Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Gorilla here. Today we're talking about one of the most powerful and most useful projects in the crypto right now, Wormhole. If you're interested in blockchains, DeFi, stablecoins, NFTs, or multi-chain apps, you probably already heard the name. Wormhole connects all these ecosystems together and makes the crypto world work smoother. I will keep everything simple, clear, and easy to understand. So let's start the video. What is Wormhole? Wormhole is basically a cross-chain messaging protocol. That means it helps blockchain A talk to blockchain B. For example, you have USDC on Solana and you want it on Ethereum. Wormhole allows apps to send information and assets between chains in seconds. There is no central authority. Everything works with smart contracts and cryptography. There is no central authorities. Everything works with smart contracts and cryptography. Think of Wormhole like the internet cables of crypto, connecting the whole ecosystems together. Why is it so popular? Wormhole is trending because it supports 13 plus blockchains: Solana, Ethereum, Base, Polygon, SUI, Aptos, BNB chain, and more. It's super fast. Transfers and messages across chains are almost instant. Used by huge projects. Many DeFi, NFT, and gaming platforms use Wormhole as their bridge. It secures with Guardians, a decentralized group of validators called Guardians, help verify cross-chains messages. Big ecosystem plus real adoption. Billions in total volume have passed through Wormhole. How Wormhole works. Let me explain it in the simplest way. Step 1. A transaction happens on one blockchain. Step 2. Wormhole Guardians watch and verify this transaction. Step 3. They sign a message proving it's real. Step 4. This message is delivered to the destination blockchain. Step 5. The smart contract on the other chain takes actions. This system lets developers build things like cross-chain swaps, cross-chain NFTs, multi-chain apps, omni-chain DeFi. All of this without users needing to trust a centralized party. W token. Wormhole now also has a token called W. The token is used for governance, staking, secure the network, paying for cross-chain operations. And it also gives incentives to builders and ecosystem projects. The launch was huge and made Wormhole even more popular in the crypto community. Real use cases. Wormhole is used in many real-world ways. DeFi. Move liquidity between chains. NFTs. Transfer NFTs across ecosystems. Gaming. Use assets on different networks. Bridging stablecoins. Cross-chain lending and borrowing. If you see an app doing multi-chain, there is a big chance it uses Wormhole under the hood. Wormhole is one of the most important infrastructures in crypto today. It connects more blockchains than almost any other protocol. Has massive adoption, strong partners, and growing ecosystem. If you're interested in cross-chain technology, Wormhole is definitely a project worth learning. About. Let me know in the comments what project you want next. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.